In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Otter AI to record and organize your class notes. To get started, download the Otter AI mobile app on your phone or tablet. If you'd rather work from a computer, you can also open Otter AI in the browser on your laptop. Either option works, so choose the one that fits best with how you normally take notes in class. The goal here is simply to make sure you have quick access to the recording tool before the lecture begins, so you're not rushing once class starts. After you have the app open or the website ready on your laptop, the next thing to do is position your device near the instructor or as close as possible to the main audio source. This is important because clearer audio leads to better transcription quality. Try to place the device where the speaker's voice can be picked up easily without too much background noise. If you're in a large classroom, setting your device on a desk closer to the front can help. If you're using a laptop, make sure the microphone side isn't blocked by notebooks, bags, or other objects. Once your device is set up and class is about to begin, tap record right at the start of the lecture. Starting on time helps ensure you capture the full lesson from the beginning, which is especially useful if the instructor gives an overview, important definitions, or assignment details in the first few minutes. Before class begins, it can also help to quickly confirm that your device has enough battery and that the app is open and ready, so you don't miss anything. As the lecture continues, use the highlight button whenever the instructor mentions a key concept, an important example, or something you'll want to review later. Highlights are a simple way to flag the most valuable moments without interrupting your focus. Instead of trying to write everything down in real time, you can stay engaged with the lecture and mark the sections that matter most. This makes reviewing after class much more efficient because you'll be able to return directly to the important parts of the transcript and recording. Over time, this can help you study more effectively and spend less time searching through long notes. With just a few simple actions, getting the app ready, placing your device well, starting the recording on time, and using highlights during the lecture, you can turn Otter AI into a practical tool for clearer, more organized class review.